Quick question. Have you ever sat in a session and thought, wait, is this person training me or just facilitating a discussion? A lot of people use the words trainer and facilitator like they mean the same thing. But here's the truth. They're not. They're very different roles. And once you understand the difference, it can completely change the way you deliver learning and how your audience connects with you. Hi, I'm Nikita. On this channel, I share practical tools, strategies, and real stories for trainers, facilitators, and leaders who want to make learning engaging and impactful. If you want to grow your skills and inspire others, make sure you hit subscribe because I post weekly tips you won't want to miss. So let's break it down. A trainer is a knowledge giver. Their role is to teach specific skills, concepts, or information. A facilitator is more like a process guide. Their role is to create space where people learn from each other, share ideas, and build solutions together. Here's an example. Imagine a session on Excel. The trainer is at the front, showing you formulas, shortcuts, and pivot tables. You're listening, watching, and practicing. Now picture a team workshop on productivity. The facilitator doesn't give answers. Instead, they ask questions like, what slows your team down? Or what can we change in our process? Everyone shares ideas, debates, and by the end, the group comes up with its own solution. Same setting, completely different approach. Trainers usually come in with a structured plan, slides, activities, exercises. They're seen as the expert in the room. Facilitators may still use structure, but their real skill is guiding the process. They don't always need to be the expert on content, because the knowledge often comes from the group. Think about your last learning session. Did the person spend more time teaching you or asking you questions? Was that person more of a trainer or a facilitator? When I first started, I ran a customer service training. I brought in slides, taught communication models, role-played scenarios. I was the trainer. Later, I was invited to lead a strategy workshop. This time, I didn't bring answers. I asked, what does customer success mean for us? And guided the group as they built their own strategy. That day, I was the facilitator. Both roles were valuable, just different. Here's the golden line. Trainers focus on what to learn. Facilitators focus on how we learn together. And the best professionals know how to play both roles depending on the situation. So tell me, which role do you connect with more? Do you see yourself more as a trainer or a facilitator? Share your answer in the comments. And before you go, I've created a free checklist called 10 Hacks for Engaging Any Audience. Grab it from the link in the description. It will make your sessions more powerful, whether you're training or facilitating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.